How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the Arctic Circle. No, I'm just kidding. This is January in Chicago. This is what it's like, and it's this temperature outside. But enough of that, because I got a really cool video for you today. This is a Hyundai IONIQ 5, and I'm going to tell you 5 things that you didn't know about it. So stay tuned. All right, starting off with one of the main things everyone always asks when they're looking at electric car, what's the range? Well, for 2025, they've upgraded the power unit in the car, and it is now able to do about 320 miles on a single charge. So always good to know whether you're in the market for 24 or 25. Know there are going to be slight differences, and you're going to get a little bit better range out of a 2025. And to go along with the theme of batteries so far, with the new 800-volt architecture of the IONIQ 5, you're able to charge from 10 to 80% in under 20 minutes, which is just unbelievable. So if you're ever in a pinch, just stop by any charging station, you'll be able to charge up. And this is the first electric Hyundai to be able to charge at a Tesla supercharging station. You don't need an adapter anymore. The charger that comes with is the same one you get in a Tesla, so you can go to any supercharger station all around the country, be able to plug in, no problem, charge up your car in less than 20 minutes. Just unbelievable. It definitely cuts down on that range anxiety, knowing that you can just stop by, grab a quick bite to eat, and you're gonna be good to go. All right, one of the new cool features that they've added is the ability for what they call vehicle to load. Now what that means is that, of course, these cars have a ton of electric batteries in them, and it's just kind of a big battery in itself. So what they've come up with is this vehicle to load adapter. Now what you do with this is you stick it right into the charging port in your car, just like you're going to charge it up, but instead of charging it up, it has a house outlet on the other side, so you can use it to charge either another electric car or basically anything else with a plug on it. Say if you're going out camping, you can use this to charge up all your gear, your inflatable mattresses, whatever you got, and then you're always going to be good to go, just basically using the car as a big battery pack. It is truly unbelievable. It can even charge another electric car if you'd really want to. Just another one of the hosts of many, many things you can do with an electric vehicle that you can't do with a gas-powered car. So the vehicle to load adapter, definitely a cool thing that everyone needs to know about. And now something that everyone cares about with these cars. This is one of the safest cars on the market today. Last year for 2024, it was a NHTSA Top Safety Pick Plus. And Hyundai said, hey, that's not enough, we can do even better. And now they've introduced new things like the Highway Pilot Assist, which is basically going to do 95% of the driving on the highway for you. You're still gonna have your hands on the wheel and things, but it's going to help you stay in the middle of your lane, maintain distances from the cars around you, and just really keep you safe in a kind of safety bubble all around the car. The list of safety features on Hyundais now is just absolutely insane. Here, I'll run them across the screen. You can just see anything you can imagine these things have. And then for the last one, we're gonna hop inside because, again, it's this temperature outside. Brr. Okay. All right, the last feature that I'm going to talk about is going to be sustainability. Now, of course, with an electric car comes a more greener mindset. These cars are all about reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and also making the world a better place for our future generations. Well, Hyundai did a fantastic job of making this car as sustainable as possible in the production. So all throughout the vehicle, especially in the interior, you're going to see the likes of bio-based leather alternatives. You're going to see recycled plastics and recycled fabrics everywhere. Almost everything that you touch in this vehicle probably came from something else in a past lifetime. They did a fantastic job on these cars, and just knowing how environmentally conscious it is just a big win all around. All right, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you're staying warm out there. In the meantime, if you have any questions about parts, service, or sales, the number is down below. We'll be happy to help you out in any ways that we can. Thank you all so much for watching the video. If you liked it, leave a like and a comment down below. Let us know what you think about the IONIQ 5. We always love hearing your opinions. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Have a great day.